Oh, hello there. Hello again. I'm Daniel, founder of PixelPerfectMinis and co-creator of RedPix. Wishing you all a happy holiday season. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the SimCity-inspired Lay Architects Z-Scale assembly kit sold on my Etsy shop. If you haven't already picked up one of these kits for yourself, there's a link to the Etsy listing below in the description. At the time of filming, the kit is only available in monochrome. It consists of separate walls and hollowed out windows, which allow for creative painting, lighting, and window solutions. The inspiration for this model is Lay Architects from SimCity 4. In the game, it's a mid-level medium wealth commercial office from the Chicago tile set. And now let's get started. Your kit comes wrapped in plastic. Let's unwrap it. Within the packaging are the components of your building, identified by little post-it notes. The labels approximate the order of assembly. Verify that you have parts 1 through 7. If you're missing anything, please reach out to me. The architects can be put together with only a few dabs of glue. No other tools are required. This is a 360-degree render of what Lay Architects looks like once it's fully assembled. It's a relatively simple model. We'll begin by laying part 1 down flat. This is the base. Parts 2, 3, and 4 form 3 sides of the building. Slot their bottom protrusions into the grooves in the base. Once the 3 walls are secure, you can slide in the roof, part 5. With the roof secured in place, you can now attach the back wall, part 6. You can slide the wall into place by pushing downwards and inwards until all protrusions click into their corresponding grooves. The finishing touch for a model is to attach the fire exit, part 7, on wall 3. Align the slots in the fire exit with the protrusions on the wall. A couple dabs of glue will secure the fire exit into place. Voila! Lay Architects is complete. Take a moment to savor the fruits of your labor. This concludes the assembly tutorial for Lay Architects. Thanks for watching. Questions and comments are welcome below. Stay tuned for more projects, and happy building!